How are you?
I'm doing well.
What's your name?
My name is Aisha.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Where were you born?
I was born in Quetta.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
What do you do?
I'm a school teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
I have some brothers and sisters.
What's your hobby?
I like shopping.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
It's white.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had an omelet.
What's your blood type?
My blood type is O.
What's the last book you've read?
The last book I've read is The Alchemist.
What's the last movie you've seen?
The last movie I've seen is Aladdin.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 7 o'clock.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock.